Experiment day 1.
Hello? Hello. Hi, I'm Mrs. Vermeulen, and this is Mrs. du Toit.
I'm Clyde, and this is Audrey.
Yes, right.
You know, some people assume that plants like Audrey only eat insects, but who knows, right?
Is there someone we can talk to? Someone else?
Layla!
Julle verseker my julle is professioneel en kyk hier.
Hi, is there a problem?
Just a small one. Read this.
Okay. This week, Tuesday, the anal bake sale. Shouldn't that read annual?
It gets worse.
Okay. 45-year-old Gromany Michael, the church's priest, was recently outed after rumors of his affair with choirmaster James Buerter. This was confirmed by an insider. Good luck to both of them. Amen.
Check out wrote it in pink.
Don't you people have any respect for religion?
Madam, I can assure you, we here at Font respect religion.
Guys, tell me what you think. It's for cat lovers.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Guys. Don't worry. It's a girl power ego thing. I'll take care of this. Layla,